Okay, there it is. The Adcom travel lens comes with nice pouch, nice box setup, wherein you can store all lenses in one single box. It is coming with a user manual. It says Adcom mobile phone image expert product user manual. So yeah, we can go through this user manual later. So it comes with a case for lenses, and it has got few tank note cards and one warranty card. So it says register your product within 10 days on this URL and activate your 1-year warranty from the time you activate it. And I have some 10% offer coupon from Adcom. Thanks for this. And I have a lens cleaner here. This looks smooth. And yeah, here comes our lens. That's hard. Really not sure how to open this, so let me try. I believe this is lens cap. Oh, I removed the lens. I pressed the wrong button. Okay, so yeah, this is how I should take. Okay, let me press it back. Okay, this is the clip actually to hold your smartphone, and let me put this lens back to this. Okay, so this is how it is. So I think this is the lens cap. Yeah, so it comes with 25mm 10x macro zoom, and this is a single lens I ordered. So this is the single lens. It has only one macro lens in it, and you also get other manufacturers who provide macro and other wide lenses for the same cost, but still I found it better. Okay guys, so let me show you one after one. So I got this nice pouch. It got a lens cleaner, the warranty registration card. I have to go to this URL and register and have 1-year warranty. And I got one 10% coupon from Adcom. Thank you. And this is the lens size in my hand. So this is the lens guard, and this is how the lens is. 25mm 10x macro zoom, and this is how it goes. And this is the clip. You just have to attach this to your smartphone and just put it like this. And yeah, this is the lens box. So this is how it goes to smartphone. And I got this nice case, and there is one user manual in it, and it has so much of Chinese text. I believe this is made in China, of course. I have English text also there, and I can go through this user manual. It says product user manual. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks Adcom for this nice stunning pouch. It also got this hanger where you can hang it to your buckle or any bag when you're traveling. It itself says travel lens. Thank you. Thanks Adcom.